I wish I could say all the things that I want to say. I wish I could do all the things that you want me to do. I hope I didn't waste your time when you and I were all so blind. I remember when you said every dog had to stay in the rain. I remember when you said every dog had to stay in the rain. One must not forget all the things you found in the sun. Driving our bikes through the leaves and the innocent fun. By the silver power lines, I had so much left to find. I remember when you said every dog had to stay in the rain. I remember when you said every dog had to stay in the rain. Out of this love I know, we will walk through the edge of night. Out of faith, love is kind, we will dream till the end of time. I wish I could stop all those tears that come to my eyes. I wish that this was a hello instead of goodbye. I feel this trembling in my bones. I guess you learn when you're really alone. I remember when you said every dog had to stay in the rain. I remember when you said every dog had to stay in the rain.